it's Brooke with WTI. If you want the ultimate spa treatment, there's nothing better than a neck massage.
And this cordless neck massager is incredible. It feels very nice, like I'm getting a real massage at a parlor. This is by MOZA Relax. And I don't have to pay multiple times like I would if I were to go somewhere. And I can do this in the comfort of my own home. I love how I can lean back and it feels great. I can lean on my side, it feels great. Or even sitting up, it still touches my neck in those pressure points and it feels fantastic. This is compact and comes with the cutest case where everything fits in there so nice. I love things that aren't bulky that work so well. This was made with high quality materials, so I'm really appreciative for the way that they designed it. I also like pulling out these leather pads to get it to wrap around my neck a little bit more. The leather pads will heat up, and also that red silver button in the back will heat up as well. These different heads too, for instance, this is a magnetic massage head, will give me a deeper massage, or I can go with a gentler massage by changing it out with the cylindrical massage head. I love that this turns off after 10 minutes so I don't overuse it. They do recommend not using it for more than 20 minutes for every 4 hours, which I think is pretty cool. I also like that it's rechargeable. I like how it has these two buttons so it's easy to use, and the different settings are easy for me to know what I have because it tells me if it's high, low, or medium heat. It also tells me like the sleep setting. It also lets me know vibration, the kneading, so I know what I'm getting for my massage. And this is by far my favorite neck massager.
I love this so much, but that's just my point of view.